So today we're going to do an unboxing of this Redmi MiA1 phone. It costs me around like 15 grand for this phone, so let's just do the unboxing first. Yo, what up YouTube, and today I'll be unboxing this Redmi MiA1. This is quite a good phone in a budget range, and here we can see the phone right here. I'm quite in a hurry, so right now let's make it ASAP. This is the phone right here. So this was the cover and all. We don't need this right now, and let's get to the main part. Okay, so this is the phone right here. Quite a good phone. Let's check what else we have got in the box. And here is an SIM ejector tool. Let's pop it up. Here's the power brick, and the output is 2 ampere, so it might be a good charger for charging. It's a micro USB cable which has a C port. You can see it's not a micro USB charger, it's a C port one. And here is the phone itself. Okay, so let's boot it up and let's see what else we have got in this. I'm sorry for the noise, I'm actually in my class, so there's gonna be some noise. This is probably the first boot up. Okay, so this is a first overview of the phone, and let us check the RAM management of the system. How much RAM does it really consumes? And here you can see that it's using 1.3 gigabytes, and still we have 2.3 gigabytes of RAM left, so we can probably come to the conclusion that we'll get a good RAM management from this system. At least 1 gigabyte if we install some of the other apps. So this was the first overview of this phone, and stay tuned because we'll be comparing these cameras of this phone with other devices too.